too far away from anything to hear banjos.
Gonna get a little dangly here.
If we had lockers on that rear, we'd be good.
Sounds like we got something whining now that we got everybody through the water. All right, we got a choice. I think we should go
Hard passengers. Oh, that's automatic. That's automatic. That was awesome. Oh, look, you tripped!
Okay, I'll start turning around and everybody else can too. Yeah, you definitely don't want to get into that mud hole, Chris.
Get Black Lake North.
That doesn't have 31 pounds in it, I can tell you right now. Pump it up, let it reset the bead.
I'd say we're proving the ATVers wrong, but we ain't out yet.
Well, you're going to touch the front half of where the purple pin to and the purple helmet.